Crakrevenue network has added new offer. You can use this new offer to earn lots of money. You can earn $60 per day. Here you can see my earnings. I have made $281. And here you can see total payout. This year I have earned $5,944. You can simply click on Jerk Mat offer. Here you can see payout rates of the CPA offer. You can earn $5 per lead. If you will sell this product, then you can earn $60 per sale. Here you can see exclusive tools. You can promote this CPA offer using direct link. You can use banner ads, pre-roll ads, pop code and many more. You can simply click on choose this tool button. It will then take you to this page. You can select your offer. You can select here this CPA offer. If you will promote this CPA offer, when someone will sign up on this CPA offer from United States using your CPA link and they will confirm their email address, then you will earn $5 per lead. If you will promote this CPA offer when someone will from United States visit on this CPA offers landing page through your CPA link and they will purchase this product, then you can earn $60 per sale. You can simply click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see payout rates. You can click here. Here you can see JerkMat is a top 10 adult site and a top 100 most visited site in the United States. JerkMat has already paid over $90 million in affiliate commissions. You can click here. Guys, here you can see if you will get audience from these countries, then you can earn $5. If you will get audience from these countries, then you can earn $2.50 per lead. Here you can see accepted countries. This CPA offer is accepted in 22 countries. When someone will from United States click on the CPA link, then they will be redirect on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will just sign up on the CPA offers landing page, after that they will verify their email address, then you will earn $5 per lead. Let me show you how can you promote this CPA offer to earn money. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on Google site and click here to open this blank template. Now delete this header section. Type your site name. Now I'm going to type your title of this page. You can click on text box. Now type your title of this page. You can type your best title. You can select this title. Now click here. Select title option. Now click here. You can select any of this text format. Now I'm going to resize it. You can click here. Change its size. Now I'm going to insert your image. Click on images button. Click on select button. Now click on Google Images button. Search your image. You can type your funny image. Now you can select any of these funny images. You can click on insert button. Now I'm going to add your jokes article. You can write this kind of adult jokes. Now I'm going to insert your CPA link. You can go on Crakrevenue website. Guys, this is a best and trusted CPA network. This CPA network have high payout CPA offers to choose from. You can earn a high amount of money using this CPA network. Here you can see this CPA network has got 5-star ratings. As you can see here, this CPA network is excellent. This CPA network has got almost 5-star ratings on Trustpilot. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this CPA network to earn money. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your first name, last name, your email address and password. You will have to accept its terms and conditions. You can verify this captcha. And at last, you can click on create affiliate account button. Guys, I have already made full tutorial about how to get approval from Crakrevenue network. You can get that video link in this video description box below. After creating account on Crakrevenue network, you can click on JerkMat button. Now click on this button. Click on choose this offer button. Guys, here is showing CPA link. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on your Google site and you can select any of this text. Now click on this link icon. Now paste your CPA link. Click on apply button. Select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Paste your CPA link. Now click on apply button. Now go on Crakrevenue website. Scroll down. Click on banners button. Guys, I'm going to add banner ads of the CPA offer on my landing page. Here you can see lots of banner ads. You can simply click on get code button. Now click here to copy this code. Go on Google site and click on embed button. Click on embed code button. Paste your HTML code of banner ads. Now Now click on next button. Click on insert button. Now resize this binary ads. I'm going to add this binary ad. Click on get code button. Click here to copy this code. Go on Google site, click on embed button. Click on embed code button. Paste your HTML code. Now click on next button. Click on insert button. Now resize this ad. You can move this ad here. Now I'm going to add here another CPA offer. You can go on Crakrevenue website. Click on Jerk Mat button. Click on this button. Now click on choose this offer button. Guys, here you can see payout rates and here you can see accepted countries. This CPA offer is accepted in 22 countries. Here you can see top performing countries. It's Australia, United States, Belgium, France and Canada. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on Google site and you can select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Paste your CPA link. Now click on apply button. Select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Paste your CPA link. Click on apply button. Now I'm going to add your binary ads. Guys, here you can see conversion flow. When people from Australia, United States, Canada, Belgium visit on the CPA offers landing page and they will provide credit card information, then you will earn money. You can earn $60 per sale. You can click on banners button. Here you can see binary ads. You can click on size button. You can select any of this size. I'm going to select this binary ad. Click on get code button. Click here to copy this code. Now go on Google site, click on embed button. Click on embed code button. Paste your HTML code. Click on next button. Click on insert button. Now resize this binary ad. Move this binary ad here. I'm going to add here more binary ads. Okay, after completing it, you can click on publish button. Now type your unique web address. You can type your anything. Now click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. My Google site has published successfully. Click on this link icon. Here is showing Google site URL. You can click here to copy this URL. You can open it in new tab. As you can see here, my Google site is looking great. Here is showing binary ads and here is showing clickable text. Guys, you can also make this kind of simple landing page. In next step, you can go on Google and search your adult WhatsApp group link USA. You can type your country USA, Canada, Australia and Belgium. Here you can see there are a lot of websites. As you can see here, this website is providing more than 10,000 adult WhatsApp group link. You can open all of these websites and join adult WhatsApp group. After that, you can share your Google site URL on all of that groups to get audience. You will have to share your Google site URL every day. You can also join adult Telegram groups and then you can share your Google site URL on all of that groups to get audience. You can also promote your Google site on Traffic Junkie network. Here you can see Traffic Junkie network gets over 15 million visitors monthly. If you will promote your Google site on Traffic Junkie network, then you can get lots of audience. When people from United States, Australia, Canada and Belgium click on these banner ads, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will sign up on the CPA offers landing page, and they will confirm their email address and activate his account, then you will earn money. You can earn $5 per lead. Suppose if you will generate 10 leads per day, then you can earn over $50 per day. When your audience will click on these banner ads, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will submit his credit card information, then you will earn $60 per sale. Guys, you can earn lots of money using Crakrevenue affiliate network. This network have high payout CPA offers to choose from. If you want to learn more about CPA network, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.